So here's Bentley. Bentley still has his man bits. Oh, that's funny. Luna. Jazz, stay out of it. Let them play. Good girl. Puppy! Back over here. It's alright. Oops, I forgot to talk about Bentley. Hi, Bentley. Bentley just got here, and Bentley is having a ball. He is a happy camper. He's met everybody just fine. He's had no issues meeting anybody. He still has his man bits, as I said. He needs to get altered as soon as possible because he does seem to lift his leg. He's still young, 2 years old, supposedly. And the surrendering owner states that he's a Corgi mix, which makes a certain amount of sense. I got distracted. Where'd he go? He went up the trail. He got distracted too.